Hi guys, today I'm drawing dress to impress winners. But I'll be drawing the outfit I prefer, so let's start. Here's the first round, and the theme is picnic. For me, it's tough to choose an outfit in just 5 minutes, but it looks like there are a lot of creative minds out there. Let's wait until the end to see who comes out on top. I love this hairstyle. Wow! Fancy. No, please don't wear hat. Wow, that looks amazing for a picnic. Done, let's get ready to the show. She's cute, but this doesn't look like a picnic outfit. It's more suited for a dance party. Oh, her style is so lovely. The color is just amazing. Wow! Look at her back. Love it. This outfit is perfect for the beach. She looks okay. But to be honest, this style feels more like something for staying at home, not for a picnic. These outfits are so adorable. I can totally imagine enjoying a picnic in any of these styles. What do you guys think? That's so cool. Oh wow, such a lovely color. But I feel like this outfit is more suited for a party, not a picnic. Amazing, but the theme is a picnic, not a wedding. Wow, she looks perfect. She is simple and elegant at the same time. I like her outfit, and the idea of ice cream and an apple is really creative. She definitely gives off summer vibes. Wow, she looks like Barbie. Maybe she will be the winner. That's adorable. She is so cute. This outfit looks amazing. I love her sunglasses. Let's see who are the winners. Wow, they are so pretty, they really deserve it. It's time to draw the first. Let's start the second round. The theme is cover of Vogue. The outfit should be iconic and stylish. Wow, she really looks amazing. I love this color. She is also so pretty. She looks good, but I didn't like the outfit that much. I didn't like the idea of the glasses. They make her look like a teacher. She's so cute. I love the cat. This is so creative. Let's see who are the winners. I'm about to finish. Hope you like it, guys. I want to say a big thank you to 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 for joining me and playing this fun game. She is really a good player. See you in the next video. Bye.